Yes, um, this is me, Sam. Today I just decided that I'm going to do this kind of video, and I'm going to be talking about this drink here. Mm, yeah, this drink. Now, okay. Uh, this is Sprite, if you want to know. So today I'll be talking more about who I am, like as a person, and also what motivated me to actually do this kind of channel. Um, if you this is your first time in the channel, in this channel I discuss, talk, I elaborate, show people how you can actually make money, side income, side hustle on the internet, and I'm going to be talking everything on the internet. That is YouTube, affiliate marketing, short-term money, like let's say watching videos, listening to music, but when you're actually earning this money. I'm also going to be touching basic tips like how you can succeed in life, like as a person. mm, I've not gone to school, I've not, so it leaves you with very minimal chances of competing with the world outside there. But it doesn't mean that you cannot actually make it. Everyone can make it in life, everyone. And personally, I think 1 year ago I didn't have this microphone, I didn't have that computer, but now somehow I have it. And basically, if I start to remember, I started just this having this thought in my mind, like, can I actually be able to make money online? In most cases, people are going to tell you that it's a scam, but it's not. People make money every time, every time. Number one, people can be drop shipping and they make money as long as you know the art. People can be doing print on demand and they make money as long as they know the art. And it depends. It depends. I wrote some things in my book. I don't remember everything. Let me just pick the book and I see what did I want to talk about. Yes, I wanted to talk about um let's say top 3 ways that I think people can make money on internet. I've researched, and I think after like 5 years I've been doing research that in most cases I didn't have to get the money. I didn't actually get the money first year, the first 2 years, and it was tough. It was tough. But as time went on, I realized that there was a trick. Mm? The first time I got money, it was $5. $5. Just imagine how excited I got. That was, I think, the spark I got in my life to start making money on the internet, and that elevated my desire, my hopes of starting to get this money in very many ways. I used to tell people, they didn't believe, but for me, at the same time, I was learning. When I was researching about these activities, I didn't know anything about the internet. All I just knew, I wanted money. And being a person is no mom without a brother to rely on, dad to rely on. I had to somehow find ways to survive. And it's tough. It's tough. If you just take a look at it, it's tough. But somehow I managed to get that $5 that encouraged me and showed me proof that is possible. And I encourage you, the first, for you to start believing this thing, number one, you need to get money. You need to get that small figure that you don't believe can even be possible. Mm. And I can be a witness of this. The thing is possible. No matter the time you take, it is possible. When you get that first payment you get, that is the belief you need in your head. If you get that belief, you see, over the years, I was able to buy. This is a simple smartphone. Simple smartphone. It costs, I think, around $200. And yeah, then you're like, how are you able to do that? That is the trick. I do things online. And so many. I also work somewhere. I do YouTube as part-time sometimes, just to show people. Not everything that I show you actively participate it every day, but this is where I started from. This is how I start. You see, when you're on internet, there's so many things that are going to happen. You're going to hack the thing. You're going to how when you try to experiment one thing, yeah, you're going to realize there are things that you're good at and there's things that you're not good at. And when you find things that you're good at, you're going to concentrate in them. You're going to work so hard even to achieve anything from it. And the best fact of it is when you get that payment. Yes, yes. So that's what I'm talking about. Money, 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 money is always the problem. By the one, I'm African, black in color. Not so much. I don't have much money, but I have some survive. My hope is to even get more money and be able to get my own girlfriend, support her, support my family. Yeah. So for this video, I just want to talk like that. This is just a me talk. This is the voice you're going to be listening to every time you're listening to my videos. I just I request you, many of you that watch my video, you don't subscribe, so it would be of very good importance that you subscribe to this channel. It will help me a lot. And the other thing is, this is a trick. I'm trying to use this channel, so it's going to teach people, but at the same time, this is another way you can make money, just like me. If you have a smartphone, you don't have to need to have a nice camera. This matters, the microphone. If you can speak, if you can talk, if you're confident on camera, yeah, good, nice, yeah. So that is it. Talk on camera, know how to write, know how to determine what you're good at. Personally, I'm good with I like computer a lot. I like computer, anything about computer, watching movies, solving problems, like say unlocking phones. I don't know much about, but I can research using YouTube. YouTube is my best teacher. I've learned everything in YouTube. I've learned website design using YouTube. I design websites like an expert within 1 year, and I've designed so far, let's say 10, 20 websites. Yeah, very proud of it. Using YouTube. YouTube is my teacher. YouTube is like my pen, teaches me where to go, and here I am. Creating YouTube videos. Yeah, so subscribe to my channel, and I guess in my next video I'll be showing you a few things. I guess I'll talk first in my few videos, then I'll go back to just showing you the websites that you can use for making small cash, and also we shall be talking about big cash at the same time. So keep tuned, watch the video, subscribe, comment what you want me to talk about, and it'll be good to go. Yes, that is it for today.